Okay, so for the caramel sauce, you're going to need 1 cup of dates, which has been soaking in some hot water for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt just to bring out the flavors. Then I am going to be using my food processor just to blend that all together to make our caramel sauce. This may take a while, it may require you to stop and kind of mix it about just to get any of the lumps out. And I did end up adding in about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of water just to get that caramel sauce really smooth and to help it to blend properly. This was my end result. Now I'm going to be using 2/3 of a cup of oat flour, and I'm going to be placing 1/4 cup of the date caramel sauce. And this is going to be our quote-unquote biscuit base for our Snicker bar. And here it is. Again, I did end up adding in a little bit of water just to get this dough to kind of form properly and so that it wasn't as dry. Now I'm just going to shape it into a square shape. I am now going to place the rest of my caramel sauce on top and spread it out. I'm then adding 1/3 of a cup of peanut butter. Ideally you should be using peanuts, but this was filmed around the beginning of quarantine and for some reason in my area there was absolutely no peanuts. I literally searched everywhere. So I improvised and used some peanut butter just to get that bit of a crunch. I did use crunchy peanut butter. It still came out really good. Now this goes into the freezer for about an hour and this is what it looks like. I am now going to cut it up into small, medium-sized, edible slices. Depends on how big you want it, just cut the way you want it to be. And then I'm going to coat this with some chocolate. I'm using some no added sugar dark chocolate. You can use any other kind of chocolate you guys would like. I just wanted this to be a bit more healthier, so I'm doing 2 different types, one that's like drenched in chocolate and one that's drizzled. And this is the finished result. I was so happy with the way it came out. Next time if I do this, I'm definitely going to be using some real peanut butter just to get that whole Snicker bar feel. And yeah, I hope you guys like this. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.